Is your phone screaming storage full again? Don't even think about deleting your precious photos and videos. I'm going to show you a secret trick to free up tons of space right now. First, go into your phone's settings, find the storage section, and look for cached data. Tap on it and hit clear. Just like that, you've started cleaning up. Next, open your app manager and sort all your apps by size. You'll be shocked at what you find. Look for apps like TikTok, Instagram, Chrome, and WhatsApp. Go into each one and clear the cache. Boom. You've just freed up anywhere from 3 to 5 gigabytes of space instantly, and you didn't have to sacrifice a single memory. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.